On October 19, 2017, a telescope in Hawaii detected something moving through our solar system. It was moving too fast to be from here. It was shaped like nothing we had ever seen, and it was already living. We had 11 days to study it before it disappeared forever. Those 11 days produced more questions than answers. And one of those questions came from a Harvard professor, a question so precise and so disturbing that the scientific community has never been able to fully dismiss it. Here is what we know. Every comet, every asteroid, every rock we have ever found in our solar system is roughly spherical. Physics dictates this. Gravity compresses mass into spheres. This object was not a sphere. Its aspect ratio, the comparison of its length to its width, was between 5 to 1 and 10 to 1. Elongated like a cigar, or flat like a pancake. Scientists are still debating which, but both shapes are unlike anything in our solar system. Both shapes are unlike anything that natural formation processes are known to produce. Scientists gave it a name, Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning first messenger from afar. It was the first interstellar object ever confirmed to have passed through our solar system. Something from another star, moving through ours. That was strange. What happened next was stranger. As Oumuamua left our solar system, it accelerated. Not the acceleration of gravity. We understand that. This was something else. Something beyond what solar gravity alone could explain. The standard explanation for this in comets is outgassing, frozen material vaporizing in sunlight, pushing the object like a rocket. But Oumuamua showed no cometary tail, no gas cloud, no sign of outgassing whatsoever. The acceleration had no explanation. Most astronomers proposed alternate theories: a new type of hydrogen ice, an unusual surface composition, a natural phenomenon we hadn't seen before. Then, in 2018, Avi Loeb published a paper. Loeb is not a fringe scientist. He is the former chair of the astronomy department at Harvard University. He has authored over 900 scientific papers. His paper proposed a different explanation for the anomalous acceleration: a light sail, a thin, flat structure, like a solar sail, designed to be pushed by radiation pressure from a star. No engine, no fuel, just a surface large enough and flat enough to catch the pressure of light itself. His conclusion: the physics of Oumuamua's trajectory were consistent with an object designed to travel between stars, not a natural object drifting through space, a probe. Loeb was clear. This was a hypothesis, not a certainty, but one that fit the data as well as any natural explanation, and in some ways, better. The scientific community pushed back hard. Loeb pushed back harder. Here's the detail that nobody talks about when they debate Avi Loeb. We detected Oumuamua after it had already passed its closest approach to Earth. We were not watching when it arrived. We were not watching when it passed. We saw it only as it was leaving, already 33 million kilometers away and moving at 87 kilometers per second. If something passed through our solar system and wanted to observe us without being observed, this is exactly what the data would look like. We would catch a glimpse on the way out. we would have 11 days, and then it would be gone. Oumuamua is gone. It is now beyond the reach of any telescope we have, moving toward the constellation Pegasus into interstellar space. We cannot study it further. We cannot send a probe. We cannot get more data. We have 11 days of observations. A shape that shouldn't exist. An acceleration that has no natural explanation. And the word of a Harvard astronomer who looked at all of it and said, the simplest explanation is that this was built. Maybe he's wrong, but consider the alternative. In 2017, something from another star system passed through our solar system, came close to Earth, and left. And we were looking the other way. Bearman stories. Because the history they taught you has gaps.